So I wanted to give everybody an update on what's going on with my mom because patients are always asking what my mom's up to, what she's doing next. And, you know, authentically, it's been a blessing for me to be able to treat my mom for the last 16 years. Your mom does so much for you, and it's one of the little things I can do to give back because I make her look fabulous and feel fabulous. Because I've been doing her hormones for 16 years too. Oh my gosh, too much information sometimes as far as what my mom tells me as far as hormone treatment is concerned. But as far as on the cosmetic side, I've treated her face beautifully and she's super happy with the results, and we're always doing little tweaks here and there. But the thing that's bothering her the most lately has been her hands, which is interesting because I didn't really realize that until she brought it up, that she felt like her hands were really aging her. And at the end of the day, with any patient, especially my mom, I want to address the things that are bothering her or bothering you, same deal. Often, authentically, when I'm doing treatment, I will think to myself, what would I do with my mom? Because what I'm gonna do with my mom, I want, every patient, I want to treat them like my mom. So what we're gonna do is we're going to correct some of the volume loss that's taken place in her hands and improve the skin quality because she's got some brown discoloration on her hands that bother her. She says every time that she grabs the steering wheel, she sees that and it makes her feel really old. And my mom is really young at heart. My mom and dad are traveling all over the place. They're going to all-inclusive resorts in Mexico and in the Caribbean, and she is wearing good sun protection. I talked to her about that. But they're very active, so she wants to look the way she feels because she feels a lot younger. That's what my mom says to me. She feels a lot younger on the inside, and she wants that to reflect on the outside in a very natural way. So that's very important to my mom, is to make sure that everything looks really natural, just a younger version of herself, and I think we've achieved that. And next step will be the hands, and I know the rest of the body is coming next too. But I have told my mom that I need to see her doing some weight resistance exercise at the gym to get that kick started so that we can segue over to some treatment in the office to help work together with that. But we'll keep you posted on what's going on with my mom and maybe the rest of my family too, because they're all active in the practice. But my mom is pretty dear to me and very special. So it's been a blessing that I've been able to do what I've done with her over the years, and many more years to come. Cheers.